Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'm back to teach you another line dance. The name of the dance is called I Don't Mind Good Vibes. Before I teach this dance, I want to give a shout out to everyone that always click on this video, leave me a comment, and give me a thumbs up. Guys, I thank you for your support. Thank you so very kindly. If you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you want to dance with me to the music, to make sure you have the steps together, watch till the end. I'll post it right here. Just click right here. Okay? So, this next dance I'm gonna teach you is called I Don't Mind Good Vibes. It is a two-wall dance. There's 4 parts, but it's easy. It is easy, okay? We have 2 rotation. There's 1 change. And it ends on the 3rd rotation, okay, with part 1. So let's do it. So we're going to start on this wall here. So look, stand on this side of the room, this side, stand side by side, and the face in this direction. Now, this part 1, you're going to do at all 4 walls. The same thing at all 4 walls. You're going to do a side shuffle, a soldier turn with a stump, walk back, right, left, side tap, lift. That's it. Side shuffle, 1 and 2, soldier turn with a 3/4 turn back, 3, 4, walk back on the right, 5, 6, side tap lift, 7, 8. 7 and 8. All 4 walls. Side shuffle, 1 and 2, soldier turn, 3/4 turn, 3, some 4 on that right, come back right, 5, 6, side tap lift on the right, 7 and 8. You're going to do it again, shoulder side shuffle, 1 and 2, 3/4 turn back with your left shoulder coming back, step left, stump right, back right, left, out right, and lift. Do it again. 1 and 2, turn 3, stump 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. That's part 1. Real simple. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, side shuffle. 1 and 2, turn 3, stump 4, back 5, 6, out 7, lift 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, back 5, 6, out 7, 8, right, 1 and 2, stump 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 1. Part 2, we're going to do only on the first rotation. We're not going to do it on the second rotation. It's an out and cross. Right, left, cross, left, right, cross, slide right, roll, and roll. So I did out, step, cross, out, step, cross. So the same thing I did on the right, I did on the left. Out, step, cross, out, step, cross. Right, left, right, left. Slide right, roll, and roll. I'm going to tap on the left and repeat the same thing I did on the right, I do on the left. Left, right, cross, right, left, cross, slide left, and roll, and roll. Okay? So let me turn my back here so you can see the footwork. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, out, step, cross, slide, roll, roll, tap. Out, step, cross, slide, roll, and roll. So that happens at the same wall. You're just doing it on the right and doing it on the left. So that's part 2. So part one, all four walls. Part two, the right and the left at the same wall. And you're only going to do part two, the first rotation. Okay? So let's put it together, part one and two. 5, 6, side shuffle. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, out 7, lift 8. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, back 5, 6, out 7, lift 8. 1 and 2, 3, some 4, back 5, 6, out 7, 8, shuffle 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, out 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, left 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Part two, part three, step tick. Step tick on the right, step tick on the left, swirl right, left, side tap, quarter turn right. So I step tick on the right, I step tick on the left, I swirl back right, left, I tap on that right, and quarter turn to my right. I'm going to do that again. So what did I do? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's part three. Now, last part. Roll right, roll left. Roll back on the right and hold. Roll back on the left and hold. Coaster step, coaster kick, ball chain, and turn. So I did coaster kick, ball change, turn with a soldier turn. Right, coaster kick, step, soldier turn on that left shoulder come back, half turn. And then we do it again. Roll right, roll left. Back on the right and hold, back on the left and hold, coaster kick, that's a right, and then kickstand on the left shoulder come back, half turn. So what does that look like? Roll right, 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Now we got our second wall. The dance starts over with the side shuffle. So let's put 1, 2, 3, and 4 all together. Nothing really hard here, guys. Not at all. So part one, your side shuffle with the soldier turn, left shoulder come back, 3/4 turn, walk back, side tap, and lift on the right. All 4 walls, so you're doing that 4 times. When you come back here, you do that out and cross, slide, roll on the right and on the left. Out and cross, slide left, roll and roll. That's part 2. Part 2, we do it on the right leg and the left leg. Part 3, we go into our step tick, swirl right, left, side tap, quarter turn. And we do that again. That's part 3. Step tick on the right, step tick on the left, swirl right, left, side tap, quarter turn to our right. That's part 3. We only do our part 3 twice. Okay? Then we're going to do, when we do that part 3 twice, that gives us a half turn. Then we do our booty roll to the right, to the left. Sit back, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right coaster kick. Down, soldier turn on the left, half turn. Then you roll right and left again. You do that twice. Sit back on your right and hold. Sit back on your left and hold. Coaster kick, soldier turn with the left left shoulder coming back, and you back at your second walk. You repeat the same thing. The only thing you take out is your step tick. So you go back to 1, which is side shuffle. And then when you come back, you're going to do your step tick. Step tick twice, and that'll bring you to this wall. And then you do your booty roll. Okay, you do that twice, and you end up here at the front wall. Then you start over again, and it's going to end with part 1. Okay, so that's the rotation. If you don't understand, look at the demo. You know exactly what I'm talking about. I've given you everything you need to know about this dance. Now let's go back to the top. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, side shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, walk back, 5, 6, out, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and cross. 1 and 2 and 3, slide right, roll, roll, tap, left, left. 1 and 2 and 3, slide left, roll, roll. Step tick, swerve back, right, left, tap on your right, quarter turn, tick, swerve right, left, side tap, quarter turn, roll right, left, sit back on that right, sit back on the left, coaster kick, soldier turn, left shoulder back, roll right, roll left, sit back on the right, sit back on the left, coaster, coaster kick, and half turn. The left shoulder coming back. This wall here, second rotation, everything I just did except the out and cross and the slide. So you do 1, 3, and 4. Okay? When you come back here, you end the dance with your side shuffle. Okay? That is, I don't mind good vibes. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up and share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's dance together.